Hello and welcome everyone. This is My Boat and My Life, the boating channel. One of the places we visit this week looks like this. But we start the day before without this sunshine. We are on our way out to Björkskär. It's far out here. And it's this bay we're going to visit. The standard map don't show everything, but I got the hydrographica and then you see the stones. It's not so tricky to navigate in here once you know what to look for. Aim for the end of the joddy. If you draw a line along the joddy and then extend the line all the way out, then just follow it. You will go close to the rocks on your starboard side, but you will not hit them. On a sunny day it's easier, then you will see the rocks on the side. Så att vi är i linje med bryggan nu, då kan vi i stort sett åka mot bryggan tror jag. There is a guy on the jetty and he's showing me what to aim for and I giving him the thumbs up. Now I start the turn to report, but the guy on the jetty shows me aim straight. And I think he knows something I don't know. Perfect. So I quickly turn the boat back to starboard. But I soon realized should have started the turn when I wanted, because now I can't turn as sharp as I want. A boat like this, we put out the stern a lot when it's turning. So if I turn too tight, the stern will hit the rock on my starboard side. Ja, jag går ganska grunt gör jag. I can understand that they are worried about the anchor lines, but I'm not worried. I will turn hard to starboard and it will get my stern away from the anchor line. The old man on the boat seems to be a bit worried, or he just wants to help me by lowering the anchor line. Nu kan du springa ner. Du tampar och fändrar. Vi kan fändra först. All people that are here on Björkskär are always friendly. It's a really special place to visit. We need some big fenders and I store them back here. This hull extension is one of the better things I have done to the boat. You can store so much things down here. Så, ta den där, håll in den. Nej, håll i den. Here we anchor with as short anchor line as you dare, so other boat can pass behind you. Jag ska bara ankra i rätt vinkel. I'm not a big fan by giving my lines away like we do here. I like to drive all the way in by myself, because often you will end up with someone pulling the line against them and twisting the boat. We take that again.
Sådär, tackar. Går det att dra fram den lite till, är den där? Perfekt. Tackar. Vilken service.
Välkommen till Björkskär.
Tackar.
Standard.
Ja. Du kan stänga av den.
I think I will get a royalty strike if I keep playing this, so let's do something else to this beautiful live music we had in the evening.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
We maybe get away with this song if we not play it too long.
I see skies so blue, clouds so white, bright blue day, and the dark say goodnight. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
The next morning we wake up to this beautiful day. So we went to explore the island.
It's so beautiful out here. I know the camera can't pick it up, but it looks too... It's not that long away like it looked. It's good. Here we have a sauna. Vad lugnt. Det ligger helt blankt där uppe. En stora nassa där framme. En båt där ute. Där inne ligger vi. Du är högt upp i alla fall.
Vill man ju hoppa ner?
Ja.
Now we're leaving. We're heading for Stora Nassa. We're going to check out a couple of places there. But first we have to back out from here without hitting the rock behind us. One of the pontoons on the dinghy is stuck under the neighbor's anchor line. Let's fix that. Let's pick up the anchor all the way. No wash smoother this time. I don't want to drag the anchor and pick up someone's anchor line. We're passing the first anchor line without problems. Let's see if we can do the same with the other one. No problem at all. Now it's just navigating through the rocks on the way out. Now we're leaving Björkskär and going a bit north up to Nassa. The plan is to be up here a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.